Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 23/9/2022 and the time is 7:19. What a miracle day. What a miracle. So always the time knows what to do and the numbers clearly show our guidance. It has given a guidance 2 days before that. Nifty numbers are converged. Nifty numbers are converged. So always remember, whenever the numbers converge, you will see explosion. Whichever side. And our system was given a sell on Tuesday itself. And yesterday, I clearly mentioned in my video that I am not taking any position home. We squared all the positions home, and we clearly mentioned in my yesterday's video. And today, we had a live webinar with my members for the first time, and we learned a lot of things. And we did a lot of trades in the market time also. And so that's why there is no post in Telegram channel as well as in my group, but my group members knows very well on what to do on trend change rate. Below 15 minutes low, simply sell. Below 15 minutes low, simply sell. And we have our own system to follow the complete top to bottom. Complete top to bottom. There won't be any oscillation in the middle. And we trade on a trend change date on the expiry day. We will trade in 1 minute time frame. I will show that in the end. And you all know how we performed in the last 4 days. Buying at the bottom, selling at the top, based on numbers, based on timing and all that. But now I'm not going to talk all that. Okay, all that is past. What I'm going to discuss now is what numbers we discussed last week, what we forecasted on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and what are the numbers we forecasted, and how market respected that numbers, and how many times stop loss got hit. That is what I'm going to talk, and without any indicator, without any option strategies, butterfly, tiger, lion, all that. No, nothing. Fewer numbers with the exact stop loss. What the targets we got? Let's go and see. So this is our weekly forecast from 19th to 23rd, and this number is published in my YouTube video, and we will discuss this numbers in our Sunday webinar. Even this week we have Sunday webinar. So every week on Sunday we will conduct a webinar to discuss all these numbers and how to trade this number. Apart from that, it was clearly given here. Buy above 17,224, stop loss 54 points. Sell below 17,425 points, stop loss 54 points. And these are the targets. Okay. And when we started the thing itself, weekly itself, we clearly mentioned Bank Nifty date, cyclic date, and the Astro date is happening on 23rd. When there is a combo date, when the combination of date happening, it will be very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. And that is why, even though the Nifty was somewhat, it was struggling at 17,425, but I will tell you why that 17,425 was, Nifty was struggling to break that number, and eventually it has given that because Bank Nifty is not at all cooperating. Not at all cooperating. Nifty tried is level based today. Actually, we need to appreciate Nifty for that. But why that 17,425 it held for so long is very simple. This is the number. There ends the matter. Yesterday, last two days, kindly go and see what happened. On Wednesday, the close was 17,715.90, which is nothing but 17,760. Not able to break and close above that. Yesterday, again, it closed below. And again, from the downside, it went exactly and touched this number only. Exactly, it went and touched this number only. And today, it was fighting for this number. And we know this number from the month beginning. Before the expiry opens, we have this number. That is the key. You can do 1,000 option strategies in this two number. 1,000 option strategies only with two number, and that is what we discussed in our live webinar today. How to do option strategies only with this two number. Simple strategies which will be very powerful, and we can capture the entire move. We can capture the entire move. So now it was struggling to give this number, and eventually in the evening it gave that also. So that is the miracle of this number, and two number is more than enough to trade Nifty for the whole month. You don't need 20,000 numbers or 20,000 strategies. Just two numbers, just two numbers. Follow with the stop loss, rest everything will be taken care. Market will reward you. Market will reward you. Use any system. I'm not saying you need to use my system. Use your system, but number is given, and it is given free. And it is given free in my channel. And we will discuss this number before one day, before the weekly expiry, monthly expiry starts. I will give all this number and we will discuss these numbers. Right? So now let's go to the weekly numbers. Let's go to the weekly numbers. Okay, so this is weekly number for this week. Buy above 17,624 on 30 minutes closing. Targets are 17,116, 17,777, 17,840, 17,851, 17,883 and 17,956. In that I clearly mentioned these three numbers are mega price reversal zone, and that is what I mentioned here. Mega price reversal zone. Sell below 17,425. Sell below 17,425, target 17,351, 17,261, but today it held up at 17,351, but it closed little below because 17,351 is the 50% rule number. People, those who are following me, they know what is the importance of that 17,351. That's a 50% rule number. That is why, it takes lots of support there. And I have not given up the hope in Nifty till now. I will cover, we will do a detailed webinar on Sunday where market is standing and from here where market is going to go up based on the numbers that I already posted you in the Telegram group and my paid group also. We will discuss everything in the Sunday webinar. So now listen to this. So 17,624, 30 minutes, once it closes above this, you buy, stop loss 54 points. That's all. It is very easy to understand. There is no big thing to understand this. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. Buy above 41,089. These are all the targets. These are all the targets. Okay, up to 704. And this is the price reversal zone. This is the price reversal zone. Okay, and the sell side go short below 40,267. See, we went short in the morning at the higher rate. That's a different issue altogether. I'm not going to talk about that. Or I'm not going to talk about what we did every day, buying and selling, buying low, selling high. All that I'm not going to talk about. If you want all that, you can go to my previous videos. All that is explained clearly there. I'm going to talk about only this number which we forecasted last week. That's all. So sell below 40,267 on a 30 minutes closing basis. Target is all this. And this is the fourth target, 39,440. That was the low today. That was the low today. And here, if you see, this number has to be held. This number has to be held, and that is what I posted also. Why this number has to be held? 39,309. Nothing but it is here. Till Bank Nifty holds this number, it is bullish in the sense, those who are trading monthly, not on a daily or not on an intraday or something else. This is the level in which it will try to take the support, and I mentioned this in my Telegram channel today. And sorry, we are totally tied up in the morning meeting. That's why there was no update in Telegram channel because we were in the live video. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss how market respected these numbers and how the targets got reached. Okay, now let's go to the chart. So this is a plain simple chart, no indicator. Plain simple chart, no indicator. Okay. So where is the buy number? The buy number is 17,624. This line. Okay. This is 19th. The expiry started. The weekly expiry. This week has started. Okay. This candle closed above the buy level. So you need to buy here. Stop loss 54 points. And it has not hit our stop loss. It has not hit our stop loss. And from there, where it went? It went and touched 1, 2, 3, 4 targets. And the fifth last target was missed. Last target was missed. So 4 targets done. It is roughly around 250 rupees for 54 rupees stop loss. 1:5 done. Everybody is struggling to make only 250 rupees, 250 points in a week. They are struggling only for that. Believe me. If you make 250 points per week, 4 weeks, 1000 points done. And many technical analysts, they are only fighting for this. It is not a joke. It's a very difficult task. They are only fighting for this. And we are doing it with ease. Without any indicator, without any strategies, only numbers with a 6 stop loss of 54 points. Once you make the 250 points, close the system, don't even come near to the system for the week, because market or God is already rewarded you. No need to come to the market. Be happy with what you got. Okay, chalo. Then what happened? It started coming down, your stop loss got hit. Whatever the buy you bought here, your stop loss got hit at 17,840, because this is the next stop loss which you need to exit. And here clearly mentioned this was the price reversal zone. It was a price reversal zone and it got reversed. Okay. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about what we did here, all that. I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about what you should have done today based on the number. So I'm not taking all this fall into consideration. We rocked everything. We bought here exactly, went and touched this 17,716. This number, all that we know, which I already explained in my yesterday's video. But I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about what we discussed last week and how much points we generated only because of that, without following anything. So on the buy side, we captured roughly around 250 points. On the sell side, I'm taking from here only. I'm taking from here only. Below 17,425. If you would have gone short, the first target was 17,351. You would have closed because the market is closed. So in this side, you made 75 points. On the upper side, you made more than 250 points. 325 points done for 54 points stop loss. What more do you want? Okay, let's go to the bank nifty. Okay, this is bank nifty. So this 30 minutes candle closed above the buy number, which is 41,089. Our stop loss got triggered there only. On the day itself, our stop loss got triggered. Okay, and then it has not closed above the buy number, so there is no buy. There is no buy for us. Okay, then what happened? Gap up, went up. We need to buy only when it comes and touches the number. Till that time, we need to simply keep quiet. Till market comes and hugs you, you need to wait. It will come and hug you. It will come and hug you. Right? So came down all the way. Here it is not a buy because none of the candle closed above. It was falling. Even in case if you bought it, no problem. Stop loss got triggered. So 288 points. Correct? Then what happened after that? Next day, it was struggling to close above this 41,089. This was the buy number. See how market works. It was trying for the first half an hour to break this number. This is happened on 20th September, 22nd September. So there is no buy here. I am taking into consideration that one time stop loss it, second time stop loss it. We lost 288 points. So here it has not gone up here. So there is no buy in bank. And from there it started. So where is the sell? The sell is 40,267. See, we sold here based on the trend change rate, and we sold here also. Many of my subscribers, they took the short position yesterday itself. That is all different. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about once this number is taken out, 40,625, based on 15 minutes here, you need to go short. And what is the number? 39,430. 800 points stuff. More than 800 points stuff. What more do you want? Simply follow the numbers. Simply. We bought here, we sold here on the top. All that is unnecessary. In case if you would have followed only the weekly numbers of mine, which is given to you free of cost in the YouTube channel, this is what you make. And the stop loss is clearly given. Use your system to trial your stop loss. We use our system to trade. You use your system to trade. Whichever system which you are using. All the systems are 100% genuine except our mind. Again, I'm telling you. All the systems are 100% genuine. They are all divine. Except our mind. See how beautifully it worked. And we will not care about this green candle. We will not care about this green candle, this candle, because we have our system to sit with the entire trend. And we use 1 minute time frame to trade that in weekly and trend change date. I will show now. This is Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty in 1 minute today. The sell came. The sell came first. It gave a sell yesterday itself, but I'm not considering that. I'm considering from today. The sell came. Okay. Once the sell came, if the candle goes below, any candle closes below the first 1 minute low, you need to go short. You need to go short. Stop loss, this candle line. That's all. That ends the matter. Started coming down. See whether there is any green candle in 1 minute. Exactly went and touched here. We shorted here when we are doing the webinar. Again, we shorted here when we are doing the webinar. Again, we shorted here when we are doing the webinar. See how it will go and respect these lines. And again, it came. Again. So there is no buy, there is no buy, there is no buy, there is no buy in 1 minute. In 1 minute. So what happened? Closing, it gave a buy, we closed. There ends the matter. So this will take care of your emotions. You don't need to jump. People, the problem is if suddenly from here to here it will jump, they will close the push. No, this candle is still in red. Why you want to close the push? Why you want to close the push? You don't need to close the push. Unless and until it gives the buy. So it gave a buy here in the closing. We will close all our position at 315. Intraday, position must be closed at 315. So they would have, my subscriber would have closed here. That's a compulsory thing because that's a message I give it to people. 315, you need to wind up. Don't come tomorrow if you're playing intraday. So even in 1 minute, anyway, this can be used only for intraday. But even in 1 minute, this was the sell came here itself yesterday. 40,750. So this is the trending system which we use. This is a trending system which we use. Understood? Sure. So Nifty is coming very near because many people would have long, they would have stuck. I understand all that. So Nifty is nearing the support. Let's see how it is going to react from here on. And all that numbers will be discussed in the coming webinar on Sunday. I will post the timing tomorrow. So if you want to learn something, you can join. It is up to you. Otherwise, the weekly, the small video of 15 minutes or maximum 10 minutes video will be posted only on numbers, no chart. No chart. I don't want any chart. I don't want any chart to trade this market. Rather, we don't want. Numbers do wonders, which we understood. And today morning, just a minute, watch this. Today morning, this is for the expiry number. Below 17,558, go short. Above 17,666, buy long, go long. This is the expiry number for this week, monthly expiry. monthly expiry. This 2 number is enough. This 2 number is enough. How I derive this difference, all that's my lookout. But your number I have given. Your number I have given. What time I posted? I posted at 9:19. 9:19. And what is this 9:07 number? Morning before market opens. Sell below 17,564, buy above 17,597, 33 points stop loss. 33 points stop loss. And what is the last target? 17,408. If you sold at 17,564, the target is 17,408. And after that, we will not cover based on this. We will use our system to run the entire stuff. But even if you made this 150 points today in Nifty, that is more than enough, no? After the gap down also. Stop loss is only 33 points. And if you go here, the Nifty, this is the number. This is the buy number, this is the sell number. No buy, for example, how to trade this? A simple kind of a stuff. You don't need a bigger technical thing to understand this number. None of the candle, 5 minutes candle closed above 17,597. So there is no buy. This candle closed below, this candle closed below 17,564. So you need to simply sell at this number. After this candle is over, once the candle, 5 minutes candle close below this red color line, sell. Once again, when it touches that number, you sell. Stop loss you put here. Keep 2 rupees extra, 2 rupees extra on the top side, and enjoy the trade. Up to 408, all done. Where is the question of indicator here? No strategy is needed. If you want option strategies, I will give you 10,000 strategies inside that how to do it. Don't give me crap. Simple numbers does wonders. Simple numbers do wonders. And in this case, if you want to use whichever EMA you like, I think on a daily, intraday people, you use 9 EMA or 9 SMA. Whichever you like. It will work. It will work. Why we simply avoided taking all the calls yesterday? Yesterday, here, already it has become bearish here itself. The cloud has become bearish already and it is not able to cross above this 3 line. What is this 3 line? This is nothing but a simple 200-day high low on close. You don't need magic strategies to trade market. No complicated system to trade market. This is a simple 3-liner will do everything for you. Simple 3-liner will do everything for you. I'm taking this. Maybe you can say Ichimoku is a little difficult to manage. No problem. This 3-line is enough for you. What more do you want? See what time it gave a sell. Stop loss will get it. I'm not saying no. But it gives mega money. Mega money. So we always, once it closes below this itself, I will be little okay. Something is going to happen. But our system will give the exact point in which I need to sell. And today, in the trading hours, we went long in Adani. How many times it gave an opportunity for 25 rupees more in our live trading? The simple numbers do wonders. I don't want to go. If you want, you do a trend line, all that. If you want to do, you draw. We don't need to draw anything. We don't need to draw anything. Market knows how to respect those numbers. That ends the matter. Okay, we are forecasting, we are giving the numbers, and market is respecting these numbers. Simple pranam. Today, when we had a first webinar, clearly said, close your eyes first. Don't ask any strategies to me. Show gratitude to market. That should be the first exercise which we need to do. Whether it is going to give you money, profit, loss, all that is immaterial. Close your eyes, show the gratitude first to market. Market will reward you. Plenty of money it will reward you. Because it is there to hug you. It is there to give you opportunity. It is not there to screw you. No. Don't think only the top technical analysts will make money. 100% no. A layman can make hell a lot of money than a best technical analyst in the world. Because he doesn't know all the complex strategies. He simply, if he follows discipline, he makes money. Right? So that's how our number worked, and a lot of updates on the coming Sunday webinar. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Maybe this time, even last time, our number really worked in Nifty and Bank Nifty on our weekly focus, but this time the stop loss got hit and only in Bank Nifty. I will try to do my best in the coming week. Okay. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye, and see you on Sunday. I will post the timing in my Telegram channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.